Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Fumi B here again with another video. In today's video, I'm just going to keep things very short. I just want to show you all how I'll be taking down this African threading that I did a couple of videos back. I know it sounds like, what's the point, right? But for some people, they might be wondering, how do I take this down when I make this hairstyle? So this video right here is just supposed to provide an answer to the question of how, right? So I'm just going to show you guys really quickly how I'm going to be taking this down. Some of them are already coming off. If you can look closely, let me see if this will focus right. Yeah, so you can see that this is already coming off. But yeah, I'm going to show you for the ones like this one that hasn't come off yet. I'm going to show you all how I'll be taking it down really quickly. This video shouldn't be more than 3 or 4 minutes. So yeah, let's get right into it. So for this hairstyle, all you need to do is just pull on the thread. I'm starting off with this one that is already, already loosened. So just pull on the thread and yeah, that's all. But for this one, the reason, like I stated in that video, I don't know if I mentioned or not in that video, you should try as much as possible not to allow the tips, right? The tips that are, twisting or the threading now, don't make it too complicated. Don't get it tangled up. So loosening the hair will be very easy for you. As you guys can see, we have this my tip right here. All I'm going to do is just pull on it, right? And yeah, we have our thread, and I just pull further and then we're done. This is what we have here. This is what my hair is looking like. You can see that this hairstyle was able to stretch out my hair, but because I don't want to style my hair out right in this stretched form. All I want to do right now, once I'm done with this, is just wash my hair. So this is what we have here. I'm going to repeat that same process one more time just so you guys can get a good look at the whole process. So let me just take down this part that I already sectioned off and pick 1 or 2 of the threadings that we have going on there. Let's see, let's take this one like this, right? Like this, just pull on the thread, and yeah, this is what we have here. Let me just pick out the thread real quick. Sometimes you might the thread might have gotten tangled up with your hair. Just try as much as possible to just pull it out as much as you can, right? And then just keep pulling on it. You can see as well how easy, as easy as ABC. We have another one out. I'm going to repeat the same process on this one. Pull and then get out the thread and pull further. So let me just really quickly take down every other one. I have 16 of these threadings in my hair, so I'll take down the remaining and I'll be back just to wrap up this video real quick. Alright guys, so I'm back and this is what we have here. My hair is loosened completely. I've taken out all the threadings. As for the rubber bands at the root, you just need to kind of pick them up, right? Try and find a way to pick it up, and once you've done that, just pull on it and it will snap on its own. It's very easy, and if it doesn't snap, I suggest you use a scissors, a very small scissors, but try and snap on it. I'm sure once you snap on it, it's going to just snap and then right, and it's going to just separate basically. But yeah, this is me just trying to remove all the rubber bands at the roots to unveil our hair. So the rubber bands are already snapped on their own.
Alright guys, so this is what my hair looks like after taking out all the threadings. I'm just going to go ahead to wash my hair now, and I'm going to be uploading that video, so keep an eye out for it. I'll be sharing my wash day routine with you all. This is what my length is like right now. This is where my length is at. Inches, did someone say inches? Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching this my takedown short video, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. Also, if you're yet to be subscribed to this channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button down below. And yeah, I can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Bye.